Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm going to do an unbagging of my IPSY bag. This is the IPSY Plus. I used to get IPSY, just regular IPSY, and back then it was $10 a month for 5 nice size samples. Well, now I got the IPSY Plus for 5 full-size products, and it's $25. I forgot how much it costs, y'all. But anyway, this is what the March bag looks like, March 2022. Okay. I actually like the pouch that the cheaper bag comes in rather than this. But I understand everything got to fit in here since the stuff is bigger, but they should just make a bigger zipper cosmetic bag, right? Alright. The first thing I come with is the Soul Clean. S-E-O-U-L, Clean. Soul Clean Probiotics Balancing Cleanser. That's what it looks like. So this is you're supposed to wet your face, massage the probiotic cleanser onto wet skin, and rinse with water. So it's supposed to help my skin some kind of way. Let's see. Okay, got the little foil seal on here. Okay, I'll be using anything that's going to help my skin. Smell it. I don't smell nothing. As long as it don't smell anything like sulfur. A lot of skin products, they got sulfur in it, and I'm allergic. One time I washed my hair with some shampoo and it had sulfur in it. I was so sick, my whole head was sick. I was sneezing, snotting, eyes watering. I was so sick, my throat was sore. And I finally figured out I was allergic to the shampoo. So I had to try to wash that shampoo out of my hair. But it had to basically wear out. Because, I mean, it got the sulfur scent got stuck all in the strands of my hair. And it was hard. It took quite a few days for that to go away and for me to recover. Okay, the next thing is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Skinny Brow Pencil. It's in the color Granite. I mean, this actually feels empty, y'all. It feels so lightweight. It better not be empty. Don't play with me. How you open this? I don't want to tear my nails up opening stuff. Just got some tape over it. Oh, there you go. Let it be something in here. Yeah, I see it. I'm trying to film in different locations of my house. Sometimes I sit in that chair over there, and sometimes I sit at the dining room table over there by the big window. I'll start filming on my couch. This is what it looks like. It's real skinny. So lightweight. How you open this? Like this. And you scroll the pencil up. Put this on the other side, should open. It does, and has a spoolie on the other side. Okay, I would definitely be using this, and it's in the color granite, so that's like a gray, I believe. Let me see. It's not black, and it's not brown. It's like a very dark gray. Okay, I can use that. Let me swatch it. It don't hardly show up. I don't know. I don't know if it's my color or not. Don't know. Well, if I had to keep going back and forth with this to make it show up, I'll try my best to use it. Okay. What else? Laura Geller Baked Blush in Brighton. Baked Blush in Brighton. Marbleized blush. Looks like that. It's full size. This just came today. Okay. Make sure I got it packaged. It was sure this wasn't gonna break. It was inside of this, inside the box. Okay, looks like that. And it's in the color pink grapefruit. It's packaged up nicely. Open this joint. There you go. Looks like that, and it has a mirror. Half a mirror. That's what that looks like. I might as well swatch this. This is blush. I usually like rosy cheeks. I don't know. I don't usually highlight no cheeks. I thought you're supposed to highlight up here somewhere. I don't know how to highlight, so I don't do it. Where you highlight? It goes on the cheekbone, I think. I don't know where it goes, really. I think it goes there. And the highlight don't look right unless I contour, and I don't do that. This is supposed to be a blush, but people highlight under the brow bone. Y'all know I don't know what I'm doing. This don't look like a blush to me, because it's too light for me. I like rosy cheeks, or nicely bronzed cheeks. That's the color of it, pink grapefruit. Now if I was a lighter skin, maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure about this. Okay. I'm not sure about this color, and I'm not sure about that brow wiz. If it's gonna work for me. The products are nice, but if it don't work for me, I didn't need no more makeup in my makeup room. Drop this stuff. And what is this? Vita Bread C12 Wrinkle Serum. Firm and revitalized. I ain't got no wrinkles. I'm pleasantly plump. Okay? And I ain't got no wrinkles. Y'all see any wrinkles on this face? So I don't need it. I don't need it. Wrinkle Serum, and that's the name of it. Vita Bread C12. I'm not even going to open it. I might sell it on Poshmark unopened. Is that 5 things? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one more in here. Should be one more. Let me see. I'm looking at it as you all are looking at it. I just cut this to make it quicker. And I couldn't pull this up. This is so tough. This is on here. I couldn't pull that up, so I had to cut the bag. Okay, what is this? Liquid eyeshadow. Lucky Chick. In the color Gold Mine. Color Gold Mine. So they let you pick 3 items and then they choose 2 items for you. I think I may have picked this. I probably picked the Brow Wiz. And knowing me, I picked the blush, which ain't gonna work. Okay, let me open this without tearing up the box. Gold Mine, so I guess it's gold. Here you go. Oh, that is gold. Look at that. That is gold, y'all. As gold as my bracelet. How you open this joint? Why they put the lipstick in here upside down? Seems like the bulk of the lipstick. I don't know. What is the way the tube looks? It's unscrews. How do they do that? Lord have mercy. I thought this was the lipstick, y'all. And I turn it upside down. That's the lipstick. What is this? What did I say this was? Eyeshadow. I'm about to put this on my lips. Liquid eyeshadow. And it really is gold. Ooh, yeah, that's gold. I might use it as a liner. After I have my color on. I can't really see what I'm doing right now. Yeah, it's gold, all right. Okay. This will work. I'll use this. They should have warned me. I could have tore this up. You know, trying to pull this off. I'm thinking it comes off like a regular lipstick. Because this looks like a regular lipstick. Look at that. It's formed in a lipstick shape. Okay. Tricky packaging. But I think I'm going to like this. That's gold. But I would line, instead of using black, I would line it after I got on my eyeshadow. Or I may even use a black liner and then put this on top of it to make it pop. Okay. So I like this a lot. I would have liked this if it shows up on me. I'm going to use a brush and then see how it works with the brush instead of my finger. I ain't using this. I may sell it. I don't know how hard I'll have to work to use this. I don't want to punch holes in my eyebrows trying to get this to show up. If it works, it's a keeper. So I'm not sure about these 2 things. I'm dropping stuff. So I will use this Probiotics Balancing Cleanser. Okay. So I may be discontinuing my IPSY Plus bag. Because And this is the card that came with it. Power Moves for March 2022. That's what the card looks. Don't nobody read. And it says Dynamic Skincare Duos. And it tells you all the ingredients that work better together. Antioxidants plus SPF. Retinol plus peptides. Vitamin C plus ferulic acid. Salicylic acid plus hyaluronic acid. And ceramides plus squalane. Those things work good together, supposedly. So I don't know what's in that stuff I said I'll use. And why they write this for people with x-ray, I need x-ray vision to read this. I don't know what's in it. Anyway, that's my IPSY bag for March 2020. I'm dropping everything. And, you know, I don't know what to do with these bags. They're too small to hold a wig. At least my wigs. So this is my IPSY bag for February 2022. It's so. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. I guess I better hold the bag up. Why am I holding this bag smiling and I ain't happy? I spent my money. I'm probably bad for business right now. Okay. Y'all be